Day 3286, stranded on this red sentient moon. I cannot recreate the abnormality that brought me here. At 9 years old, I created an electric vehicle that I hoped would approach the sound barrier. It did much more than that. The electrical activity created a rift in the space-time continuum. I found myself on the moon of the red sentient homeworld. I discovered blue sentient data logs, encyclogons. In time, I deciphered the language and discovered the incredible science and mathematics of the blue sentient civilization. But its survival was threatened by Krytos, the leader of the red sentients. My scans of that planet revealed no remaining blue sentients. The only occupants of this moon are Sarth, left over from Krytos' army. I had been sabotaging them in an attempt to destabilize the planet. However, Krytos returned to this moon in search of my encyclogons. I had no choice but to destroy them.
Whoever you are, we're on your side. We all need to get out of here.
Humans? But wearing red sentient insignia? Pathetic trap. I will not rest until one of us is dead.